Hello everyone, this is Deepthi Reddy from Excel Logics. Now, let us see how to get working hours of working days. Here, we have 17 September 2020, 9 o'clock. In the next cell, we should get 17 September, same date, 10. Okay, only time should get increased. And when it is 6 p.m., we need only working hours, right? So 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So after 6 p.m., the date should change to the next day. So here the date should be 18 September 2020, again 9 a.m. It should take us to the next day 9 a.m. after 6 p.m. of that present date. And again, same we need to repeat the same thing. Again, hours should get increased, and again after 6 p.m. it should take us to the next day 9 a.m. But if the date is Friday's date, if it is Friday 6 p.m., it should take us to the Monday 9 a.m. directly. And because we need only working days, working hours of working days. Working days means from Monday to Friday. Let us consider from Monday to Friday. So if it is Friday 6 p.m., it should take us to the Monday morning 9 a.m. Otherwise, 1 hour increment. If it is normal 9 a.m. or 10 a.m., we should increase 1 hour every time till 6 p.m. This is the requirement. First, let us see how to increase time. We have time function. In the time function, it is asking for hour, minute and second. I want 1 hour increment. So in the place of hour, I'm giving 1, comma 0 minutes and 0 seconds. So for this time, I need to increase 1 hour. For 9 a.m., I need to increase 1 hour. So this cell plus 1 hour. I got 10. Same way I got 11, 12 and 13, 14. It is in 24 hours format. So after 12, it is displaying 13, 14, 15. So in 12 hour, in 24 hours format, 6 p.m. means 18. So after 18, here it is showing 19. But here after 18, it should display next day again 9 a.m. For that, we need to write a logic. So first let us write for Friday 6 p.m. If the date is Friday and the time is 6 p.m., then it should take us to 9 a.m. Let us write a logic for that. If so, here we need to satisfy two things. One is the date should be Friday, and second thing is time should be 6 p.m. To satisfy two things, we write AND function. First condition, we should check whether it is a Friday or not. For that, we use weekday function. Weekday of this date should be equal to 6. Weekday means it gives day number in a week. Like if it is Sunday, this weekday output will be 1. For Monday, weekday output will be 2. For Tuesday, 3. So for Friday, Friday will be the which day in a week? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Friday is the 6th day in a week. So if weekday output is equal to 6, means if it is a Friday, and hour of this, hour function extracts only hour number from this time equal to 18. Always R function takes time in 24 hours format, so I'm giving 18. If R 6 p.m. means 18, right? So I have given 18. If this two condition gets satisfied, then to this date, we need to add 2 days. So if it is Friday evening 6 p.m., if I add 2 days, what will be the output? 2 days means 48 hours. Saturday evening, and it will take us to the Sunday evening 6 p.m. But we need Monday morning 9 a.m. If I take 3, it will take us to Monday evening 6 p.m. So what I do is I will add 2 days plus 15 hours. From 6 p.m. to 9 a.m., how many hours we have? 15 hours. So plus time of 15, 0, 0. This is the logic for Friday evening 6 p.m. If it is not Friday evening 6 p.m., if it is normal 6 p.m., normal weekdays 6 p.m., what we should do? If directly I'm writing R, again I'm not taking weekday, because if it is not equal to Friday, if this condition is not getting satisfied, means if it is not equal to Friday. So R of this, so directly I'm taking R function equal to 50. 18. Then to this date add only 15 hours. Means if it is today 6 p.m., today is Wednesday, if it is today 6 p.m., if to change it to tomorrow morning 9 a.m., we don't add one day, right? Only 15 hours gap we have, so directly we add 15 hours. Time of 15 comma 0 comma 0. Otherwise 1 hour increment. If it is not Friday evening 6 p.m. and if it is not normal 6 p.m., then it will be 9 a.m. or 10 a.m. any other time. In that time we need to add only 1 hour. So this plus time of 1 comma 0 comma 0. See, we got 10. After 18, date got changed to 18th September 2029 am. Here after 18, like after 6 p.m., date got changed to 21. 19 and 20 are Saturdays and Sundays. So it is directly taking us to the 21st. So if you have any doubt on weekday function, let us find out weekday of today's date. Today, weekdays of 30th December. Let us find out weekday of this date, 17th September 2020. It is giving 5. Let us find out weekday of this date. It is giving 5. Means 5 means Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. 17th September 2020 is Thursday. It gives day number in a week. So here for Friday, if it is Friday, it will give 6. 6 equal to 6 gets satisfied. And if it is 6 p.m., our function gives 18. 18 equal to 18 gets satisfied. Then it will display this output. It will add 2 days and 15 hours. If it is normal 6 p.m., it will add only 15 hours. Otherwise, it will add 1 hour. In this way, we increase working hours of working days. Thank you.